Webydo introduces Mega Menu, a new way to create visually rich, interactive navigation for your website. Want to see how it works? Stay tuned as we walk you through creating your own mega menu in just a few simple steps. On your Webydo dashboard, select the website where you want to add the mega menu. Next, click on Mega Menu and choose Create New Mega Menu. Enter a name for your mega menu page, then click plus Add Mega Menu. Now head over to the Properties tab to customize your mega menu. You can add images, text, buttons, and shapes to match your design vision. Once you've named your menu, go to Pages and Navigation and click Add New Link. Set the link type to Mega Menu, ensuring it connects seamlessly to your site's navigation. Finally, hit Publish, and just like that, your mega menu is live. Want to take your design even further? Explore more powerful features on Webydo and create stunning professional websites. No coding required. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Webydo tips and tricks. Happy designing!